Good morning, student. Today we will start the exercise 3.5 mathematics chapter linear equation in two variable and the problem related to cross multiplication, which already we discussed in previous class, and the sum problem related to statement only to form the equation, and also the question in which we have to find out the value of a and b if the solution is unique, and how we can find out the value of a and b, and we will solve the sum statement problem to form the equation. Now we start question number second part, exercise 3.5. Question number 1 is already given to you and 3 is given to you, and some statement problem. Question number 4, first part, second part I have already given to you. These type of question we have discussed in previous exercise, and now we will solve question number 2, first part. First part is for which value of a and b. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation in two variable has infinite many solution? Means find the value of a and b for unique solution, for infinite many solution, or for no solution. This depends upon the question. Here is the question is saying that find the value of a and b for infinite many solution. Do we know the if the solution is linear, if the solution of linear equation in two variable has infinite many solution, what will be the condition? Can you tell me the condition for infinite many solutions? We know first we have to change the constant term from, or the variable from right to left. All the terms we have to transfer from right to left first, or you can solve by this method also, but I am solving 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, equation number 1. It is not compulsory to transfer 7 from right to left. And now same, a minus b x plus a plus b y minus, we will put bracket, 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 0, equation number 2. And now for infinite many solution, for infinite many solution, first we have to find out what is a1, a2, b1, b2. a1, this is a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 7, and now a2 is equal to a minus b, and b2 is equal to a plus b, and c2 is equal to minus 3a plus b minus 2. And for unique, for many solution, for infinite many solution, a1 upon में a2 equal to b1 upon में b2 equal to c1 upon में c2. The ratio of the coefficient of x equal to the ratio of the coefficient of y equal to the ratio of coefficient of equal to the ratio of constant term. This is the condition for infinite many solution. And now here we have to put the value of A1, A2, B1 and B2, C1 and C2. Now put it. You put yourself. Now what is A1? 2 upon में, here is A minus B. A minus B is equal to 3 upon A plus B is equal to minus 7 upon minus 3A plus B minus 2. This minus will cut. And now 2 upon में A minus B equal to 3 upon में A plus B equal to, all three equations are equal to each other. Then we have to compare this first to this one. We can write 2 upon में A minus B equal to 3 upon में A plus B. This equal to this or this equal to this. It means they are equal to each other, they are equal to each other or they are equal to each other. We have to compare either this equal to this or this equal to this or this equal to this. This equal to this one or it may be this equal to, we have to take two conditions only. 2 upon में A minus B equal to 3 upon में A plus B, and now similarly 3 upon में A plus B is equal to 7 upon में 3A plus B minus 2. We can take this equal to this also. And what we do now? Cross multiply. Here is cross multiply. Now what is your answer? 2 bracket cross multiply 2 bracket A plus B is equal to 3 bracket A minus B, and now open bracket 2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B, and we have to take this side 2A minus 3A plus 2B plus 3B equal to 0. 2A minus 3A, it is minus A plus 5B equal to 0, or minus A equal to, here is plus, this will be minus 5B, minus will cut, so A is equal to 5B. And now we will solve this equation also. Again cross multiply. Here is 7 cross multiply 7 multiply A plus B equal to 3 bracket 3A plus B minus 2. Now open bracket. What is this? 7A plus 7B equal to 3 3 9A plus 3B. This is A. 3B minus 3 2 6. This will multiply to this again. Then we have to change toward the left side. 7A plus 7B minus 9A plus minus 3B and plus 6 equal to 0. And now 7A minus 9A is equal to minus 2A, and 6B minus 4B, 7B minus 3B, 7B minus 3B plus 4B plus 6 equal to 0. And now what is common? Common is 2. And here is sign is minus. We can take minus common also. Minus 2 is common. When we take negative sign as a common, then the sign will change. Here is plus, here is minus, here is minus. If we take minus, then it will positive, it will negative, it will negative. What is your answer? Minus, this will be A plus minus minus 2B, and here is minus 2, and this is, here is 3 equal to 0, and this minus 2 here divide will be 0. So here is A minus 2B minus 3 equal to 0. A minus 2B is equal to 3. This is the equation number 4 and this is third. And now solve third and fourth by the method of either elimination or by substitution or by cross multiplication. Which is the simple method? But the simple method is substitution. And now A is equal to 5B, A minus 2B is equal to 3. This is third equation and this is fourth. Put A is equal to 5B in equation fourth. What we will do in equation fourth here? A minus 2B is equal to 3. Here is put A. We have to put A is equal to 5B. We have to put A is equal to 5B. Here we have to put 5B. 5B minus 2B is equal to 3. 5B minus 2B, 3B is equal to 3. 3 multiply and then we have to divide 3 by 3 which is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. And they put the value of B in equation third or fourth. In equation third and fourth. Put value of B equal to 1 either in equation 1 or in equation 2. A is equal to 5, B. A is equal to 5, B is 1. A is equal to 5. This is A and this is B. That is the answer of A is equal to 5, B is equal to 1. And now move to question number 5th, part 3rd, statement problem. Please check it properly. First you read the question carefully.